Yeah, I really understood the concepts because of your explanation. Really, I need to say thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Kaustubh Sharma, AWS Certified Solution Architect as well as AWS Certified Developer. Welcome to the new video of our Cloud Basics series. In the previous video, we have talked about what is cloud computing, what is scalability and elasticity and the differences between them. We understood these benefits of cloud computing using example as well. So if you haven't checked that video, you can watch that as well. I will provide the link in the description as well as in the I button. I have my friend and colleague with me, Milka Therese, and she just started her cloud journey with me and totally new to the cloud and DevOps concept. So if you are also starting with cloud and DevOps and don't know anything about it, literally have zero knowledge about them, then this video is for you. Also, just like previous video, watch the complete video. I can make you sure that if you watch the complete video, you will have complete understanding of all concepts like agility, fault tolerance, high availability, disaster recovery, etc. If you don't understand anything from the video, I suggest you to move on with the video as some of the doubts I have cleared in the later part of the video. Till the end of the video, you will definitely have full knowledge about what is cloud computing and what are the benefits it providing and what are these terms I am talking about like agility, scalability, elasticity and differences between all these terms. Even after the completion of video, if you still have any doubts or you want to appreciate the video or want to give any type of feedback, you can comment below. I will definitely try to reply and solve your doubt as soon as possible. You can directly connect with me on LinkedIn and join our LinkedIn community as well. I am available on Telegram as well. All community links and the Telegram link are available in the description. You can check that out. Also, AWS is back with its official voucher on which I already made a detailed video. You can check that out on my channel. Also, if you are interested in learning DevOps tools like Terraform and Kubernetes, then subscribe to my channels. New series are coming on my channel. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Now the another term is agility. And so it's a general English term. Agility means fast enough. So I want my system to be agile, or I want my system to have the ability of agility so that it can do all of these, means elasticity and scalability, quickly. I want to respond my system to be quick enough, right? Suppose I want to increase my computing power and it is taking too much time, then I may lose some of my users, right?
Yeah,
In that time. So I want my system to be quick enough also.
yeah,
So for that quick in terms of cloud, it is known as agility. So all cloud providers are agile enough. Suppose here in this case, if it is not agile enough, that video is viral and people are approaching to my website. But if it is not agile enough, that website will got hang. It is increasing, but it is taking too much time. Then you will say that that website is not agile enough. Okay.
yeah, okay.
So it's an ability to deploy resources in minutes without any manual administration. Okay.
Okay.
In agility, we are scaling quickly. In elasticity, we are auto scaling. And in scalability, we are increasing and decreasing the resources, right?
Okay.
You understand? You are really understanding? Means
Yeah, I really understood the concepts because of your explanation. Really, I need to say thank you.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. So here is an example I have provided. So you can see in the cloud, as I already told you, it generally takes a minute or two to create a VM, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I already given you this example that in the cloud we required 1 to 2 minutes to create this virtual machine. But if
Yeah.
you go to for the physical, then I have to submit a request to purchase that.
Yes.
Then it will
Yes.
got
It will take
delivered
time.
and it time, and then I have to set up it as well.
Yeah.
So cloud make it more agile for me, right?
Yes.
So that's the benefit of cloud, and because it is more agile. So these are the benefits. Cloud is more elastic as well. Cloud is more scalable as well, and cloud is more agile as well, right?
Yeah.
In the case of on-premises servers, I can't increase my 4 GB RAM. Means I can't reduce the virtual machines, right? If I already buy it on my office, some machines, it is there, right?
Yeah.
Even if I sell it, I will not get that much amount. But in
Yeah.
case of cloud, I can easily reduce it. I can say to cloud provider that now I no longer you want it. Okay. And
Okay. Yeah.
similarly, in case of on-premise, I increase my 4 GB laptop to 8 GB, right?
Yeah.
But now I can't decrease that 8 GB RAM to 4 GB, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Even we can change it, but that 8 GB I already purchased it. That 4 GB also I purchased it. So it
Yeah.
will be waste of resources, right?
Yes. Yes.
So we are actually saving it. Similarly, it's an auto scaling process which won't be possible in the case of on-premises server. Means it cannot automatically do that, right? Here on the cloud, it is automatically doing it.
Yeah.
I means otherwise, if that thing is happening for the my machine, then I have to track that number of user and I have to attaching it to the different machine, high power machine, and all this. I have to manually do that. Elasticity won't be possible for me,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
And definitely cloud will be more fast as it can, as I already give you this example, right?
Yeah.
So next term is high availability. So high availability means the ability to keep resources running for the longer period with the minimum downtime. Okay.
With the minimum downtime. Okay.
Downtime means I want my website to be available for 24/7, right?
Okay.
Right. I don't want to be get interrupted. Okay. Means it got interrupted in night or it got interrupted whenever anything comes, right? I want to be available all the time.
Yeah.
Right. But in case of if I have the physical server, something might happen that there might be a power cut in my area, right? So if my PC got shut down, if an industry is there whose website is running on the server, then if that server goes down, then my website goes down
Yeah.
because of that local power cut, right? I don't
Yes.
want that interruption to my website. I don't want to lose my users, right?
Yeah.
So cloud provides a high availability. Means
Yes.
it will take care of your electricity and means it's just an example. Electricity one is an example, but it will take care of all. It will provide you means 99.99% uptime.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
it will say we will try our best to keep that uptime, but there will be might be a possibility of 0.01% that it got down.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
they also provide a service level agreement with the users that they will provide the uptime most of the time. 99.99% it will be given on the Azure website. And to find that availability, we have a formula of uptime upon uptime plus downtime, which is its actual lifetime, right? Means how many percent availability is given, right? It's a simple mathematic formula to check the high availability.
Yeah.
You understand now what's the meaning of high availability, or you require some example?
Yeah.
Or
I need some examples.
okay, just like I gave you example of that electricity. I hosted my website on my current computer. Okay, so it is running fine.
Yeah.
And suppose there is a maintenance of electricity is going on, so my Wi-Fi will stop, my power is not there, anything is not there,
Yeah.
so
Yes.
my website is not highly available, right?
Yes.
It will be went down. Even I have the system capable of running that system.
Yeah.
It is scalable and it means it is perfect, it is agile enough as well. But if it is not available because of that interruption, it is getting downtime again and again,
Yeah.
so then it will be bad for me, right? So
Yeah.
what cloud says, they will provide high availability to our system.
Yes.
That's the benefit of cloud computing, high availability, which
Okay.
we popularly call as HA.
Okay.
Next is fault tolerance. Means it's the ability to maintain system uptime when means even the physical or service component fails. So what does it mean? You can take an example. Your web application is hosted on a VM, right, on a server. So as I already told, I always want to keep it running and up, right? But somehow that server hardware fails. If I have that locally, maybe a rat came into my house and it cut down a cable. Okay,
Yeah.
an internal cable is they cut down, or maybe a short circuit happened at my house. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
it has burned my PC, right?
Yeah.
So now my website will be not available because my PC got burst out, right?
Yes.
So it is not available.
Yeah.
So what cloud is saying, that we will provide you a fault tolerant system which will be able to shift that copy of website which is running on any server. It will shift it to the another PC. Okay, whenever
Okay.
any failure happens, and just like on Amazon server, same thing happen, that that comes anyway. They have the best of the security of their data centers and they take care of utmost, but somehow, take an example, a rat came, so
Yeah.
they have system like that. Your web application will shift to another computer, so it will automatically shift to another server and your website will be available 24/7. It
Yeah.
won't be unavailable for a single minute. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and the last point is disaster recovery. So it's the ability to restore cloud services in wake of catastrophic loss. Means suppose there will be natural disaster like a landslide happens at the data center. Suppose I have a physical data center and a landslide happened on it. Then my whole data will be destroyed, right?
Yeah.
Or maybe flood is there in my area, then all PC will be drowned and all data will be lost, right? All
Yeah.
system. But what Azure is saying, if they will provide you a disaster recovery system, so you can store your, because Amazon or Azure databases are there in the different regions of the world, right?
Yeah.
It's not like that every disaster is coming on the whole planet, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
If it has come to whole planet, then we all are gone. Then there is no benefit of getting that system. So they have data centers at different places of the world. So you can store the copy of your application in different regions of the world.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah. Yeah.
even a single region got destroyed due to a disaster, your application will be available from the second region. Okay. It
Yeah.
will be
Yeah.
available to the public. Your web application functionality or performance will not be interrupted.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So I hope you got these basics clear, that what is disaster recovery, fault tolerance, availability, agility, and elasticity and scalability.
Yes. Yes.
So we will know, anyways, we will revise it here. If you have any question, then you can definitely ask me.
Okay.
Do you have any doubt?
Hello.
Yes, yes.
I just checked my voice. Am I audible or not? Yeah.
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
But your voice is cutting very frequently.
Hello. No.
Yeah, now it's good. Oh, it's very clear as well.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So, do you have any doubt till now?
Like means in the case of high availability, like if we have any electricity issue of getting any kind of less availability, in
Yeah.
that case we can
Yeah.
say like it is the benefit of high availability
Right.
of
Means I want my system to be available at all time at any cost. Means
okay. Yeah.
so
And
if that system is providing that facility, then you can say that system is highly available, or it is providing a benefit of high availability. HA.
okay. Okay. In the
Okay.
case of fault tolerance, like if we failed in any kind of server, so shift it to another server
Yeah.
in that way.
Not server or any component. Means any cable went down or any network issue happens. So it should detect that and it should shift to another system which is running completely fine. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Mm, yes. So you can see this availability formula as well. So if you have zero downtime, suppose you have zero downtime, right?
Mm. Okay.
Then this will be uptime upon uptime, right?
Yeah.
So it will be your uptime is equal to your lifetime, means system lifetime will be equal to this uptime, correct?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
your availability will be 100%, correct?
Yes, yes.
So I want my system to be highly available. Means it should be mostly in cases of cloud, it will be about 99% only.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let us revise the concept what we have done.
Yes,
So
yes.
agility is the ability to react fast, right?
Yeah.
We say it means how quickly it can scale up, right?
Yeah.
And scalability, we already know that it is the ability to allocate and deallocate resources at any time we want.
Manually.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Mm.
And elasticity is to doing the scalability dynamically, means
Yes. Automatical
automatically. Yeah,
scaling. Yeah.
yeah. And in the case of fault tolerance, it's an ability to maintain system uptime in case of any physical or service component fails.
Right. Okay.
And the disaster recovery DR means our system should be designed in such a way that it can recover from a natural or any type of disaster,
This.
right?
Yeah.
Right,
Right.
right. Means it also include the human induced disaster, right?
Yeah.
Maybe something just like just suppose you have an physical ongoing office where you stored you have a big data center. Suppose
Mm.
terrorists came and captured the data center and cut the connection. Then
Okay.
it's a disaster only, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Or any war is going on, just like it is going on in the Russia and Ukraine. So
Mm.
many data centers will get destroyed there if
Yeah.
there is only one copy. But in case
Yeah.
of cloud, their website will be available
Yeah. Yeah.
because the system have DR,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. Yes.
So I hope you are clear with this, right?
High availability. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this high availability, it's an agreement between the company and the cloud provider that your system will always remain, or most of the time it will be available, and it will not face any downtime. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it. We have in the very first point of the Azure syllabus that
Yeah.
the identify the benefits of cloud computing, availability, scalability,
Availability, elasticity.
elasticity, agility, and disaster recovery. I hope you are clear it now.
Yes.
However, it does not include the fault tolerance part, but as it is included in other cloud parts, I mean in case of Amazon and even Azure is fault tolerant, but they haven't covered in this syllabus of AZ 900. But it might come in the examination. I have seen it, so that's
Okay.
why I included fault tolerance also. Okay.
Okay.
So I guess now you understand all this. So let's go to the quiz and see
Okay.
what we got. So yeah, let me read the question. Or do you want to read this question and solve it?
No, no, you can read and yeah, I will and
But
I will
but
try
you
to answer.
yes, yes. The question says your company has an on-premise network.
Mm.
Means we have a physical network, like means
Yeah.
on the on office. Means on premises means it's like an office data center.
Okay.
Means we are not using cloud.
Yeah.
Yeah, so your company has an on-premise network with numerous servers. So we have multiple server on our on-premise network,
Mm.
which they intend to migrate to Azure. Okay.
Okay.
So the company want to migrate these on-premise server to the Azure. Okay. They
Okay.
want to migrate it to the cloud.
Okay.
And what our duty is, you have been tasked with devising a plan that
Mm.
allows for a availability of a few of server.
Mm.
Okay, so what we have to do, we have to make a plan which
Mm.
allow availability of your server in the event of one of the Azure data center become unavailable for a lengthy interval. Okay, so means what we have told, we have to make a plan that even if one of the Azure data center got anything happens to it and it become unavailable for a time
Yeah.
due to any reason. Okay. So
Okay.
then it's few of the servers should be available to us.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that our application keep running, right?
Yeah.
So which of the feature we should include in our plan? That's the
Fault
question.
tolerance.
Yeah. So why elasticity and scalability not?
Elasticity means like it is just automatical scaling.
Right.
So here we are not doing that.
Yeah,
Like
yeah. It won't help this. Even we elastic enough, it won't help us to become available at
in that situation.
in that
Like,
situation, right?
yeah.
And
And in the case of scalability,
same.
scalability is same. Yeah.
Yes. So
Uh, yeah.
yeah,
So
you want to say something?
yeah, we can say that the answer is fault tolerance.
Yes, yes. So should I check it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, really?
Yeah.
So here I explained means even if you are going to the quiz only, then I have explained each concept that why this is false, then why the B option is false. I have explained all the terms, and
Mm.
why C is true. I have explained that as well. Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay, and I also provided an official website document. Okay.
Okay.
So if you click on this, there is a Microsoft link as well where you can read more about this. Okay. So
Okay.
how this is working, how they are making the system fault tolerant. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So this way you can terms, and here is a small short trick which
Mm.
is giving you significance. Means what should you focus on the question. So we should focus on this Azure data center become unavailable. This line here, Azure data center is giving signifying towards the fault tolerance part, right?
Yeah.
Because data center means in case of Azure data center become unavailable, only
Mm.
fault tolerant system
It
will help
is
us.
true. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. So you got it right. I hope
Yeah. I
that
got.
that helped me relieve that I am able to clearly make you
Yeah.
understand.
You made me understand.
So next
Mm.
question we can take this.
Mm. That's the follow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So first one is manual increasing and decreasing resources to
Mm.
meet the predictable workload. So which
That is
one?
elasticity. Not scalability. Scalability. Scalability.
Are you sure?
And the first one, manually increasing. That means manually that we have explained scalability. Yeah, I am sure.
Yes. Second one is first one is E1, right?
First is E. Yes.
Yeah.
First one.
So in exam we should always follow the approach of rejecting out the options. Okay.
Okay.
So I can see the if I am saying that first option is matching with the E part,
Mm.
then definitely A is not going to be my option. Correct.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
B, C, D will be my options.
Yeah. B, C, D. We have. Yeah.
Yeah. So in exam we should be more clear that we should not go that oh this option is correct. Okay. We
Yeah.
should also know that why other three options are not correct. It is very important to know that. Just like
Yeah.
you explained na, that why scalability is not the correct option, why
Mm.
elasticity is not helping in this in solution.
Oh.
We need to be that much clear. Then only we will able to pass this examination.
Yeah. Yes.
Second is automatically increasing
Yes.
or decreasing the
That is
risk.
elasticity.
Yeah, you are quick enough. So in every
Two,
option it is
two,
C.
C. Two C. Yes. Yes. So we
Yeah,
need to check the third
yeah.
option.
In exam as well, you will find options to be very very similar. You are going to think like that all options seems to be correct. It will be
Yeah.
the case. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So
So the last one is speed and flexibility in allocation and delocation of required resources.
speed and flexibility, agility, speed
Are,
and
are you sure? It is
flexibility.
not high availability.
Speed, speed means 1 minute. Speed and flexibility in allocation and reallocation of required resources. Speed, if they are telling us speed, I think agility. Availability means availability we can say, but in the case of speed we can say like agility.
Yeah, you are right. I'm just kidding.
Three.
So, so
So
three,
B, option B. Option B.
yeah. So option B is correct, and
Yeah,
you got it right.
yeah, we got it.
So I guess that's it in this video. We have to wind up. So
Yeah,
already we have learned all the topic related to first point.
yeah,
So we will watch more about in the next video. We will continue in the next video.
yeah.
Thank you. Thanks, Milka. You are a very supportive.
Thank
It was very nice to discuss this with you.
Yeah, I need to say thank you. I really understood the concept because of your explanation.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay, thanks.
yeah,
That's all in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video. See you in the next video.